Welcome back again. Here we will discuss about the communication. What is communication? Communication is the exchange of the views or ideas. Unlike the animals, we need to communicate. So communication is the important thing in the human life. Here we will discuss some of the modes of communication. First, we will discuss about the postal networks. Indian postal network is the largest in the world. Indian postal network is the largest in the world. Air mode of transport is used for carrying first class mails, while land or water mode of transport is used for carrying the second class mails. Second class mail means the book packets, registered newspaper and periodicals. Okay. Now we will discuss about the telecom networks. India has one of the largest telecom networks in Asia. India has the largest telecom networks in Asia. STD facilities are available here in India, all over the country, by integrating our space and communication technology. So, our telecom network has more facilities. Our telecom facility is competitive with the other developed countries. India has one of the largest telecom networks in Asia. Now, mass communication, radio, television, books, magazines, newspapers, these are the modes of mass communication. Radio, television, magazines, books, newspapers. Anyway, these type of or these modes of communication create the awareness among the people. Our radio channel Akashvani broadcast number of variety programs in the national, regional or in local languages. So, books, magazines, newspaper, television, radio are the modes of mass communication. Our Doordarshan also need to discuss here. Doordarshan is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. Doordarshan also broadcasts number of variety programs. Okay, it is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. Also, many publishers publishing their books. India published large number of newspapers about in 100 languages and dialects, publishing different types of books. Also, India published large number of newspapers about in 100 languages and 100 dialects. Okay, so these modes of communication can create awareness among the people, and this awareness can create public opinion. Okay, these all about today's class, and you should watch the video again and again, and if you have any doubts, contact me and clear the doubts. Okay, thank you everyone.